Today we look at fish egg. When talking aquarium fish and filtration, I normally ask which type of fish do you wish to keep. Egg-laying fish are known to poop more than live bearers. This sparked my interest in egg-laying aquarium fish. Does the egg float or does it sink? Are parents creatively keeping their eggs or do they display the eggs on the aquarium glass? Egg-laying fish can be grouped in several categories. These are grouped as follows but not limited to the mentioned. Mouth brooders, egg scatters, or egg layers with floaters. Let's look at some egg scatters. These include but is not limited to filament barbs, tetra, other barb species along with danios and rainbow fish. These fish would lay their eggs in aquarium spaces, and if possible would search for the eggs after the process and consume them. For these fish, a gravel substrate would be best. Or you could use marbles, this way some expected eggs would survive and you would get fries eventually in the future. Mouth brooders as the name suggests, refers to fish which keeps its eggs in a sac in its mouth until it hatches. Examples of mouth brooders include, white lab, yellow lab, blue lab, mangano, dimensoni, and peacock cichlids to name a few. Parents, usually mother would not eat for nearly 2 weeks until the eggs hatch. When fries are released from the adult's mouth, they usually hide as the parent, mother would consume them if they can find them. Some fish lays their eggs on upright surfaces such as the glass of the aquarium, plants, and decorations. These fish include, angels, cory catfish, chromide cichlids and severum cichlids to name a few. As the eggs are placed on the glass or plants, the eggs are constantly being watched by parents. No other fish will be able to pass by without a fight from the parents. Some fish species create a nest for their eggs. They will carefully clean a flat surface area to lay eggs in which they would stand guard for a while. Example of such fish species are Jack Dempsey cichlid, plecos, and Oscar fish. Some fish eggs do not sink and scatter along the substrates of aquariums. These fish eggs float to the surface of aquarium where it sticks to flat surfaces. Example, decorations, plants, and filtration equipment. Example of this fish species are, goldfish and koi. Thanks for spending the time to watch this share. Catch you next time.